Okay guys, so hi, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. I just got a new microphone for my iPhone. Oops, somebody in the video. And I'm gonna try to hurry up because my phone is about to go dead. But I did an unboxing. I was talking through the unboxing, but the quality of the audio was off, hence why I bought a microphone. I record my videos on my phone. I have a camera, but it's just easier to record and edit on my phone. Lady walking too close to the car. So what made me want to really buy a microphone for my phone is because I really want to participate in Vlogmas, and it's kind of hard to vlog if you're not talking in the vlog. So anyway, I'm going to show you the unboxing and then I'll be right back. I can, but testing 1 2 3. Okay guys, so I'm just going to voice over this part. Like I said, I got a microphone for my phone. This is an early Christmas gift to myself, and I really wanted to do Vlogmas this year, and I knew that I couldn't do it if I didn't have the audio quality that I needed. And since I record on my phone, then I just went ahead and got this microphone so that I wouldn't have to buy a whole new phone just so that I could vlog during Vlogmas. As you can see, it just comes with 2 parts, and the name of it was Ceremonic Smart Mic, and I've never heard of this brand before, and I really didn't even know that these microphones existed until I started looking up options that I could do to improve the audio on my device. This microphone was really easy to put together. It just had 2 parts. It doesn't have to be charged up or anything like that, and it just plugs right into the phone, and it moves back and forth so you can kind of adjust which direction the mic is pointing. So I really like it. Nobody probably even noticed that the audio was terrible in my last vlogging videos, but I just wanted to get this so that I could feel better about recording videos and the audio not going in and out. Okay, now we're back. Me and my sister. This is Kyla. This is my little sister, my baby sister. She's 18. And we just came from Michael's. And there was a bunch of Christmas decor in there, which I'll probably be back to kind of do some DIY things with the girls. If you don't know what Vlogmas is when you vlog every day in December up until Christmas. So from December 1st through December 24th. And don't hold me to it, guys, but I'm really going to try. I want to challenge myself, and I think it'll kind of be fun to do Vlogmas and participate in that. So leave comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions on videos that I should do during Vlogmas. I post videos about natural hair related videos. I post mom related videos, cooking videos, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's something that you're into, definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you've already watched a video of mine before and you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any more videos. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Go follow me on my other social media. It'll be linked in the description box below. And I hope to see you guys during Vlogmas. I can't wait.